What's good, guys? It's Wilkins back with another Nowsite video. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about a change that they made recently. I know I've been making videos lately about a lot of the changes, and again, they're coming with the heat. This one is massive. Essentially, guys, Nowsite will build your website for free. That's right. They will build you a website for free. They have a new program called Try Before You Buy, and basically you'll get 60 minutes with one of their Nowsite experts called the Nerds, and I've covered this in a previous video, but essentially you'll schedule a one-on-one with one of these nerds, and they'll build your website out before you even decide to buy it. So, and they'll go through everything, what type of website you want, what elements you want, they'll go through the whole thing, and they'll go ahead and build your website. And if you like it, then you can go ahead and you can sign up, and then that website is yours. And I think this is super massive. I think this is really big because this is something a lot of the other all-in-one marketing platforms or web hosting platforms, this is something that they don't do. I mean, sure, they'll give you a 30-day trial, right? But that's 30 days that you have to build out the website yourself, build out all your stuff yourself. Okay, you have to go through that steep learning curve of learning the tools and all that stuff. And with this, they're building it for you before you even sign up. Okay. Again, you tell them everything that you want and they build it out for you. You think they can't build out your website in an hour? Please. These are experts and they're good at working this software. Okay. They are phenomenal. They have high ratings. Okay. And they continuously, week over week, get good ratings as far as how they build people's websites. And they don't just build websites. They do people's email marketing campaigns. They do people's SMS marketing. I mean, they do everything. You want to run an ad campaign on that side, they do that stuff as well. Okay. So this is just icing for them, build out a website real quick for you. Again, you like it, you sign up and that website is yours. All right. So this is just, it's a pretty quick update for you guys, but to me, this is pretty massive. There's so many ways to use this platform, and I love it for that reason, and I'm just giving you one of them, guys. So that's all I got for this video. If you found it useful, hit that like button and share this out with others. Jump on it, guys. I mean, this is big. You can get a website built without actually paying for it first, okay? You can see what it looks like before you pay. All right, so just jump on it. And that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.